Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna see this combine cut. The combine that's like we've seen before on our channel, the big one, the older one. Today we're gonna see it, gonna eat some breakfast, then leave after. Let's go. Alright, guys. Now we're gonna see the combine. Go drive 10 minutes to get to the combine, watch it cut, make some nice videos. We're in for a few hours. Let's go. Let's enjoy Poland and have the best time of our life. Let's go. You guys, look at that tractor right there. Massive John Deere tractor in the field right there. Look at this. This is not our combine, but look at this. The older Bison. It's a beast. That might be old, but it's still a beast. Look at that. Here we have the sign. The camera doesn't really show it properly, but this is a Bison right here. It says Bison. I'll turn it around and show you, but yeah, this is a nice combine. Yeah, look. This is the combine right here. With massive old. And there's some tractors here. If we go this way. This tractor. Right here. Here you have some other random tractor. I don't know which one this is, but it's a Fortschritt here. Then here's the original one right here, which is you've seen before from the house. Let's go, finally, man. In time, we're waiting for so long. that is so fun, but here we have some massive thing to climb up. We're not going to climb, that's pretty cool. But anyways, are you there? Go focus on that harvest right there. Let's go. I mean, just look at this view. Tractor there, massive combine there, but oh my god, it's a dream come true, man. Look at this, massive mountains. Oh, you think he's gonna drive past us again? Wow, it's amazing. Told you guys, in December, February, May is going to be cutting. It was finally time. I thought I was going to miss all of them, and I finally saw one. It's good. This is why the summer's the best part of the year, everything. Poland, when you have a beast like that, everyone's absolutely amazing. I love this, man. Let's go.
Fortschritt 2008 back in the trip. Right here, right down there. It's the final piece. Let's go next to it. Yo! Final piece right here. Never mind, he missed a small spot. Let's go quickly get that. This right here is the final part, I think. That is the harvest complete right there. Let's see it spill wheat into our tractor there. That'd definitely be nice. Alles in dir. The harvest is over. And that's my cousin's granddad. He's taking it to cut. The combines are going to cut again. But I'm going home. I have to go. We can't get there when the field. We're not going to see that combine, but we already saw it cut once. That was very fun. I think he's going to do his last harvest now. So we saw the second to last harvest. Before we end the video, I'll quickly show you this tractor right here, where put all the wheat in and whatever that is, wherever it harvested. In here. Yeah guys, it was very fun with the tractor. He's just harvested his entire field around here next to me. They're going farther now, but we've seen enough. We're going to be going to a Niva spot very soon, a drone spot. I hope you enjoyed this video. But before I end it though, we're going to quickly show you some more stuff that when I'm driving back to the house. It's been very fun though. Let's see what we can see on the way back. Right, that was so fun, not lying. You can still hear them as they're driving away to cut the next field. Before we leave this beautiful place though, I'm going to quickly show you this combine for one more time. I'm actually focused. When no one's around, there's me by myself. This combine, this old Bizon, old tractor, you know, all sorts right here. This is Poland, this is the stuff I love. Right guys, right here, we've seen this on day 2 when you're driving back from that video. I never got close to it. An old Bizon combine. It's just like the one we just saw now, but even older. 0.5, it's just in the trees. Years and years ago, this used to harvest, and now nothing. Just sits in the trees. Now I'm a bit scared to be here. I don't actually jump out. I actually went under like an electric fence. I'm not supposed to be here. Here it looks like you have the old mechanisms and everything. Just parked up there. Then you have it from the back right here. How it looks. That's extremely cool, guys. That's where the straw used to come out from. And then here, it's just one massive field. We're spinning in a circle. Wow. That's just gonna stay there in the forest and rot and rot. A very good piece of history there though. We'd even know now. Bye. Look at these crazy views, guys. All these mountains and everything. It's crazy. Just like they still have not cut here though. This is a whole field they have to cut. But yeah. This is the combine we saw on the way up. It's a massive Fortschritt. Almost the exact same as the one that we just saw harvesting. Hope there's no one in this house. It's very old, but still. But yeah. Wow. Empty house. Hello? Dzień dobry. Macie kogo? Yeah, empty. Oh, scared me. Hello buddy, how are you doing? Are you okay? Scaring me there? Yeah! Alright, let's leave. Right here guys, we have the factory from before you've seen before. Alright guys, that's the end for the combine video. I am about to eat food now. Then I'm gonna go to Niva, see if I may make some video there, because I've already made some video today. But the combine video is done. You will see another video after the combine way later. But yeah, the combine video is done and you'll see me again soon.